placers, all 126-pound placers, please report to the west area for your awards. All 126-pound placers. All medal winners in 120 pounds. All medal winners in 120. You need to get over to the awards area. All 120s. In addition, 126s as well.
Hey, go get it, shit. Finish it. Finish it.
Finish it, Kizhan. Finish it, Kizhan. Ooh, come on, come on. Finish it, Kizhan. Finish it, finish it, finish it, finish it. Ah, come on, Kizhan. Ooh. Yo, for real. Here we go with Kizhan versus Nordstrom. And that's the end of the first period. Yeah, for real. Izzy has the whistle. Good hand fight, good hand fight. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Nice, nice. Play defense, Kizhan. Play defense.
If you wanted to come down to take photos, you can use this for the parents, the northwest stairs. All parents who want to come to the floor to take photos of the award stand, please use these stairs to our northwest so you can view the area and have photos lasting.
Come on, Kizhan, you got a circle.
And all 120s and 126s should be in the medal area as we speak.
Apparently he's stalling. Yeah.
Again, wrestlers, if you are medaling in 120 or 126, you are now supposed to go to the awards area on our west concourse. The west area for your photos. Again, 120-pounders, 126 in all classes, 1 through 3.
Yep. Yeah. Oh. Nice. Nice. Finish it, finish it, finish it, finish it. Matt management! Ooh. Come on, Kizhan, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yo, my hand is shaking so bad. Kizhan, easy. Keep wrestling, keep wrestling, keep wrestling, keep wrestling, keep wrestling, keep wrestling, keep wrestling. Nice. Out! Out!
Oh my God.
Dickheads. Sorry. Come on, Kizhan. Come on, Kizhan. Come on, Kizhan. Keep fighting, bud.
No.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Come on, Kizhan. Come on, Kizhan. Come on, Kizhan. Come on, Kizhan. Ooh. Keep wrestling. Keep wrestling. Keep wrestling. Keep wrestling. Come on, Kizhan.